Hey guest, and welcome back to the Rodgers House. And today I'm going to be showing you how I styled my Lazy Susan on my countertop in 3 different vignette styles. So stay tuned. So starting with this beautiful Lazy Susan that I picked up at Home Goods, I am going to start out with this beautiful rooster that I've had like for years, guys. I mean, really. But I love the rich colors, the reds, the yellows, the black. And then I'm going to add that beautiful red wooden pumpkin. Okay, and then I'm going to come in with this really pretty leaf pumpkin that I've had for a while. And the colors really pick up that yellow and red mixture in the rooster. Okay, and then I'm adding this small little taupe color pumpkin. Throwing in a little bit of greenery. And then once again, there's my R, there's the brand. So I'm adding this cute little wooden pumpkin that I got from actually the Dollar General. And here is my first look. Tell me what you think down in the comment section. So guess next I'm coming in with that tall glass vase that is filled with a little fall filler and then those beautiful fall stems. I'm adding those cream plates that I picked up at Hobby Lobby. They have blessed on them. Adding to the top of that my signature monogram orange pumpkin. And last, I'm adding that toasted pumpkin and cinnamon candle. And this is my second look. So guys, for my final look, I am going to come in with this beautiful floral arrangement. That's those rich colors with those orange and burgundy peonies and the sunflowers. And then I'm going to put down those super cute truck plates. And then next, I'm going to come in with my monogram coffee cups and those cute white pumpkins. And so, yeah, tell me what you think down in the comment section. Tell me which one you like the best. And I hope you've enjoyed seeing what I've created for you today. I'm just trying to give you some quick fall inspiration on setting up your kitchen with some cute little vignettes on your countertop. If you are visiting for the first time, welcome, and I hope you'll consider becoming a guest of the Rodgers House. And if you are a returning visitor, thank you so much for all your love and support. I truly do appreciate it. Please like, share, comment, subscribe, and hit the notification bell so you'll know when I've uploaded more videos. And I want to thank you all for visiting the Rodgers House.